This will be the final, these next 20 episodes will be the final season of Teen Wolf. Yeah.
This is where the chapter ends. A new one now begins. Time has come for letting go. The hardest part is when you know all of these years when we were here are ending, but I'll always remember
the cast of Teen Wolf.
The time of our lives, and now the pages turn.
We are genuinely best friends and absolutely love one another. So, enjoy.
Had the time of our lives, and I will not forget the faces left behind.
I'm feeling really sad. She's just a real friend. That's what I'm gonna miss most.
Working with Crystal is awesome. She's a professional. She's everything you would want an actress on your set to be.
I worked on something incredible and I got to experience something incredible with so many great people. I'm gonna miss the cast and the crew the most.
Where the water meets the land, there is shifting in the sand, like the tide that ebbs and flows. Memories will come and go. All of these years when we were here are ending, but I'll always remember we have had the time of our lives, and now the pages turn, the stories we will write. We have had the time of our lives, and I will not forget.
It's difficult on this set to say goodbye because it's never goodbye.
It's hard to walk away from the best of days, but if it has to end, I'm glad you have been my friend in the time of our lives. We say goodbye, we hold on tight to these memories that never die. We say goodbye, we hold on tight to these memories that never die.
This isn't just a show. This is a family. You guys are all a part of it. This is it. This is the regime that we've built. Everybody that we've put in these seats, it's coming to an end.
We have had the time of our lives, and I will not forget the faces left behind.
It's hard to say goodbye to people, or hard to say something like this to people you love working with.
From the best of days, but if it has to end,
Fuck the money, fuck fame. All I want is this family, and all that matters are the lives that we've touched.
I'm glad you have been.
It's been the best professional experience of my life.
Teen Wolf will live on forever.